Hello everyone, my name is Maria Johnsen. In today's video, I would like to talk about how to sell your TV pilot. The market for television series is still quite strong thanks to TV pilot's high quality, uniqueness, marketability, and its franchise potential. While most producers and TV writers do not have access to a reliable literary agent or have the money to produce a pilot or proof of concept product, there are websites that give access to network executives or script readers who can read your ideas. Write a great script. It all starts with a spec script. This is a script of the pilot or opening show that sets the stage for the series. You need originality in terms of the concept, but the basics of writing a hot spec script are still the same after all these years. Hook, strong characters, strong conflict, satisfying conclusion. The hook is what brings your audience in. It is what gets them to watch the show right from the start. But it is the characters that keep them watching. Combine that with a story that keeps the audience interested in the conflict, that creates tension and finishes with a conclusion. TV industry, the show Bible is a selling tool to networks that otherwise might be risk averse to take on projects despite their obvious potential. In addition to creating a hot spec script that is exciting on its own, the show Bible demonstrates the long-term potential of the series. It's where the story created in the first script goes for the rest of the season, following seasons, and even the finale in some cases. Visual aids. The more visual references you can use in the presentation, the more likely that executives and script readers will understand the concept. A good example is visual aids that provide the tone for the series, using established actors as references. For example, I see a Bruce Campbell type playing the lead role, puts the image of the actor in the heads of executives and script readers. It helps them better understand the type of actor needed for the role. World building. When you set out to create a network series, you are essentially building a fictional world that audiences will enjoy visiting. This will be a part of your show Bible, but you need to emphasize the characters, settings, and overall vision of the story. Last but not least is persistence. A successful show like Stranger Things was pitched almost 2,000 times before it was finally picked up. So if you have a good idea for a network series, do not give up on making it happen. Maria Johnsen is signing out. Until next time, bye.